Hello, this is. Today I'm not recording a Pokemon video, and I may not record any more Pokemon videos from now because, like I said, I'm getting addicted to it. So I will be only recording coding videos because I don't want to become addicted to that video game. I am following the OSSU curriculum. You might have seen that in previous video. And so I made some progress today. I am in part 1B of that how to code simple data. It's the course is offered on edX, and it is by University of British Columbia, I think. So here is one of the tall starter. It was one of the example problems. Like, this is the messy code. You might not see the whole thing. I mean, that's not the point. I'm just showing you how messy. I wrote all the notes here, and then here's the clean code. So basically here, like it says here, design a function that consumes an image and determines whether the image is tall. And again, they want us to use the recipe. And this is the stub and the template. They wanted us to keep the stub and the template. But this was basically just following the tutorial. This is the real deal. There are 3 practice problems, and I'm going to try solving one of them here. The reason why I have opened the other tab is because I want it to be a guide to follow. This is like live coding. People usually do this on Twitch. I might consider doing it on Twitch, but yeah. Again, like the quality of audio is bad but moments ago it was like pin drop silence. Now it's like now there's a lot more noise. So here it asks us design a function that consumes a string and determines whether its length is less than 5. Okay. So first we'll design the signature, which takes a string and returns a boolean, because remember, we want the answer in true false. Then the purpose, and this is a little bit tricky to write because you could say anything like it takes a string and leaves a boolean. You could basically write the signature again, because in one of the videos he says that, yeah, don't write the signature again. So okay, so basically the purpose is it consumes a string of given length. And I'm not saying this solution is correct. I would have to look at the actual solution and compare it to it. And here's another thing I want to mention, that in programming there are more than one ways of solving a problem, and the answer doesn't have to be ideal all the time. And this happened to me in one of the previous problems I was solving, and I asked then I raised this question in Discord community. I asked a person whether my solution was correct, and they said it was correct. So that's why the OSSU, if any one of you ever thinks of joining that OSSU computer science curriculum, I highly recommend you join the Discord server as well, because then you would be able to, because then if you get stuck, or if you think you wrote something that might not match the ideal answer, then you can ask for help at A, and B, you can confirm whether your solution was correct. Consumes and determines whether the length of string is less than 5. Okay, so we have the less than 5. Less than 5, and then Then we'll probably write the stub. Yeah. First we write the stub. And in testing they have the stub to basically run the tests. So I just copied and pasted it. Don't do that. So I had to comment it out. So it consumes a string. Let's call it LENGTH checker using camel cased. It consumes a string and it returns the value true. So now this is our stub, and now we write tests for it. Again, I need some copy paste. Check expect. This is how you run a test. Oh, and also this was a boolean, so that's why I have kept it open. You see the question mark there? That's also necessary. Let's call it less than 5. That's a better name. And as you can see, I'm using camel case. First letter is small, but then the other first letter of other words are capitalized. So and a lot of programming is also just copy and pasting. This is definitely less than 5. And let's have blue. Yeah, I don't have. And this is blue. Let's see if the tests run. I don't know if we need this. Let's try. Yeah, see, syntax error. I don't know if we need this actually. Oh no, I think. Let's see, how does that work? Interesting. See, even I don't know how to solve it. I think we have to remove this. See, I'm stuck.
Não, eu tenho lá uma versão em inglês. Só estou a tentar arranjar uma versão em português.
I am stuck. I am actually stuck. Although this is not how. Okay, so the tests run. The syntax, yeah, that could be problematic. So one test passed and one test failed because one of them is false. This is not correct. As you know, blue is less than 5. And this is also false because it's less than 5. So I should change something to Trubbish, which is a Pokemon. And this is greater than 5. This is 9, so oh man, this is not good. Okay, so red is less than 5. That is true. But blue is also less than 5, so this should be false. And Trubbish is around 7, so okay, one test passes and others fail. So after the stub, we use the template, and you're not supposed to run the template. So what I would do, actually I could just copy the stub. What I used to do was I'd just run. I would just run the. This is the template. But you're not supposed to run it. So you comment this out. So you comment out the stub as well. And now, here you have to, I think, use string length, but I don't know if that is an exact function. If string length is actually a function. Let's say if str, the string that we take, is greater than is greater than 5. What do we have to do? So let's see, string length is less than 5. Basically, if you want to search anything in Racket, you could look up the function and my Linux is slowing down, so it'll take ages to open. So if this is true, you can use an if, but it's more convenient to use this. If you use an if, then it'll be like it's opening Google Chrome, which is going to take ages. Oh yeah, that is string length. So we just replace it. I'm pretty sure it does what I think it does. So string length is, there is no open parenthesis, str. Oh yeah, okay. So we have to, it has to be like 5. This I don't know how to do. How would you even make it equal to 5. I don't even know that. It will require some thinking. Let's see. I'm running the test so I know what to do. So this gives you, the string length gives you the value. Yeah, I wish I could do some console log here, but or maybe the tests are not designed properly. Let's see. There's an if as well. Let's see. Let's try using an if. Here we do use an if. I'm just typing true and false just to see what happens. We know in this test that it's calculating string length, but it'll give you the answer here. Let's try to replace this with 5. I'm trying to run this. Actual value 3 differs from true. So we are getting some kind of a value here. Let me try to add a greater than here. And an 8 here. Did I comment out the stub? Yeah, I did.
Ok. Eu vou sair dentro de. Deixa-me só ver. Eu vou sair dentro de 10 minutos, portanto. Deixa-me só ver quanto tempo é que eu demoro a chegar aí.
Okay. So I'm stuck. This is why I need to code more. And so that's it. And you'll probably see the solution next time. Or I'd have to solve it first and then record a video. Either way, I'm gonna upload it anyway. So like, subscribe, and consider donating through PayPal. Peace out.